Good morning once again, learners. Welcome back to my educational channel, Pinadali. But before anything else, may I request everyone to please subscribe and click the bell button that you may follow all my videos. Thank you very much. Good morning, learners. Today we're going to discuss simplifying fractions in Pinadali. But before we proceed, let us read first our objective. So our objective for today is reducing fractions to its lowest term. As we begin, let us know first the prime numbers. And these are the prime numbers. So let us read first the prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. Again, these prime numbers can only divided by 1 and itself. Let's have an example. This number 2 can be divided only by 1 and 2. Another, this number 3 can be divided by 1 and 3. And also 5 can be divided by 1 and 5. And also all these numbers can be divided by 1 and itself or themselves, So anyway, these prime numbers will be used as a divisor for continuous division in finding the GCF for factorization. So did you get it, class? If yes, let us proceed. So these are the parts of fraction.
So this is our example of our fraction. So the upper part of the fraction is what we call the numerator. And the line in between is what we call the bar line. The lower part is what we call the denominator. Okay? Get it, class? If yes, let's proceed. So let us now elaborate the simplifying fraction. So our fraction number is 12 and 20. So before anything, let us find the GCF. GCF means greatest common factor. Means the greatest one, the bigger one of the common or the same number or the same factor as we will use as a divisor of 12 and 20. No? So let us now find the GCF of 12 and 20. So as we find for it, let us use the factorization process. So our factorization process is continuous division. Let us begin with a 12
With a 12 number, no? So let us always think about the prime number as a divisor. Now, 12 can be divided by 2 as a prime number. Yes. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay, let's proceed. So another, again, let's think about a prime number that could be divided by 6. 2 can also divided by 6. Yes. So 2 divided by 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now, this one is, let us think again for a number that can be divided by 3, a prime number, no? So 2 cannot be, so 3 by there. 3 is a prime number. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. If you arrive in the answer of number 1, that is the end part of the process of continuous division. Okay, so let us now put the factors of 12. So 2 is one of the factors. So that we have two. So one of the two shall be written in the 12 as factors, as one of the factor, and then 3 also. So now let us process the whole to find all the factors of 12. So let us now multiply 2 times 2. So 2 times 2. No, 2 times 2. So the answer for this is 4. The answer for 2 times 2 is 4. So let us now write 4. So this 3 number will be written as another multiplier, no? Multiplier of 4. After writing 4 as one of the factor of 12, we will find the next number. So there is no 5 here. So let us proceed to 6. 6 is the halfway of 12. So let us write 6, halfway of 12. Then let us continue to multiply this one. 4 times 3 equals to 12. So we will write the 12 number as one also as a factor of 12. So did you get it, class? The factors of 12? Okay, if yes, let's proceed to find the factors of 20. So let us write here again 20, and then let us think a prime number that could be divided by 20. Let us begin with the smallest number, 2. 2 can be divided by 20, yes. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So again, let us divide 10. So think about the prime factor again to divide 10. So let us begin with the smallest number 2. 2. Yes, 2 can be divided. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So now 5 is a prime number, so it can be divided by 5 immediately. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. If our answer is 1, it is the time to end up our continuous division. So let us now find and write the factors of 20. So 2, we have 2 here. So let us write 2. Just only 1, 2. And then 5. So, but before we proceed to write a 5, let us know first if 3 and 4 can be divided by divided by 20. So let us now go to the process. 2 times 2 equals 4, no? 4. So let us now write 4 here. 4. And then also the 5. The 5, this one. 5. Then after that, think about if 6 can be divided by 20. No, 7, 8, 9. And then the halfway of this 20 is 10. Let us write the halfway, 10. And then let us continue to multiply this one. 4 times 5 equals 20. Then let us write the 20. So in finding the GCF, it is very easy because you will look only for the number from 1 until halfway. And then if you write the halfway, you will write the so-called the given number. So halfway and then the given number. Did you get it, class? If yes, let us proceed to divide the fraction, the given fraction. So let us see first the GCF of this 12 and 20. What is the greatest number that is common? Common. So the greatest number, the greatest common factor here is 4, which is the bigger, the same number. So 4. So ito yung bigger number na the same. That's why we use this as a divisor of this 12 and 20. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then write the bar line. Then 20 divided by 4 is 5. So now this is the lowest term of this fraction. 3/5 is the lowest term. Now, did you get it, class? So if yes, let us proceed to another example. No, to another example. So our example now of fraction is 25 over 30. So 25 over 30. So let us find again the GCF, the greatest common factor. Now let's write 25 and then 30. And then we will proceed to the continuous division of factorization. So let us write 25. So let us think about a number or prime number that can be divided by 12, by 25. So 2, 3 cannot be for 2, 3, and then 5. So those are the three numbers from lower number up to the higher number. 2 cannot be divided, 3 cannot be divided, and then 5 can be divided by 25. So 5, let us now divide. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So 5. Now let us also divide the 5. 5 is a prime number now. No, it is already prime number. So let us now divide by 5. So 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. So it's done because the answer is 1. Okay, let us now write the factors. So 5 is one of the factor. Then let us now multiply this one. And then there is no halfway of 25. So let us now proceed to multiply. 5 times 5 equals 25. So let us now write 25. So there is no halfway. Okay, proceed to 30 tayo. Now, let's divide 30. So let us think about a prime number, smallest prime number, 2. So let us begin with 2. O pwede siya. So 30 divided by 2 equals 15. No? So 15, let us think about prime number. 2 can be divided by 15. No? 3 can be divided by 15, yes, can be divided. So we will use 3 as a divisor. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So now, let's proceed to divide 5. So think 5 na immediately kasi that is a prime factor. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we arrive at 1. So we already done. Now, let's write the factors of 30. So 2, and then 3, and then 5, and then let us multiply. 2 times 3, no? 2 times 3 equals 6. So let us now write here 6. Now, 6 times 5, there is a halfway. Let us think if there is a halfway. Kasi there is no number na, there is no factors here that is not really already written here in the factors of 30. So let's proceed to find the halfway. There is a halfway of 30. Yes, there is 15. So let us write 15. Then let us multiply 6 times 5 equals 30, and then let's write the 30. Now let's find the greatest number of the common factor. So what is the common of these two? 5. So 5. So 5. Then let us use as a divisor of 25 and 30. So 25 divided by 5 equals 5, and then 30 divided by 5 is 6. So this is now the lowest term of this 25 and 30 fraction. So 5 over 6, that is the lowest term. Now, did you get it, class? I think you already know about how to find the GCF and also to simplify the given fractions. So if you already know about it, let us now proceed to our exercise. So this is the direction. Simplify the different fractions. So I will give you 15 minutes to answer the following 1 to 5. Begin now. Okay, thank you very much for answering the problem or the given fractions. And that's all for today. Thank you also for watching my video, and always be keep safe. This is grade 6 teacher. Again, I am your grade 6 teacher.